Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Astralis in Onsen Mountain quest, a super important quest to unlock flawless fluoride mining. This quest is very useful because it unlocks the flawless fluoride item. Make sure you finish it so you can start mining flawless fluoride later. You can complete this quest at minimum level 6. First, just go to Onsen Mountain and find this NPC Eric, and then just talk to him and accept the quest to find the flawless fluoride, like this. And then after that, just find the flawless fluoride stone, like this. Just follow this guide, like this one. And then next, just mining it. Equip your pickaxe and then just tap on the icon like this, and then you will get the 3 flawless fluoride stone. And after that, just go back to the NPC Eric, just go back to him like this, like this, and then just talk to him again and give the 1 flawless fluoride to him like this. Tap on submit, and there it is, you're done. And then next, your flawless fluoride mining will be unlocked. And okay, that's it. Now you can mine flawless fluoride easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.